Good morning, students. Today's topic is triangles. A plane figure bounded by three straight line segments is called a triangle. ABC is the triangle. Every triangle has three vertices and three sides. Here the vertices are A, B, C and the sides are AB, BC and AC. Now listen this point. What's the relation between sides and angles of a triangle? We know that a triangle means three sides and also three angles. The first one is, just remember this point. If all the sides of a triangle are of different lengths, its angles are also of different measures. And the greater side has greater angle opposite to it. Suppose three different angles are given, 60, 40, and we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. And here three different angles are there, and if you measure the sides are ABC, can you say which is the longest side or the highest side? Here the angle 80 is C. Therefore, the side opposite to greater angle is greater. Therefore, AB is the greater side. Then can you say which is the smaller side? Here 40 is the smaller angle. The side opposite to the angle 40, that AC is called the shorter side. AC is the shorter side and AB is the longer side. Then the second point is, if any two sides of a triangle are equal, if any two sides of a triangle are equal, suppose AB equal to AC, then if any two sides are equal, then the base angles are equal, right? If AB equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. Or in another word, for an isosceles triangle, what is the meaning isosceles? Two sides are equal. For an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Here, if it is 60, this is also 60. Okay, base angles are equal. Now listen. What is the meaning of median of a triangle? Write the heading. Median of a triangle is the median of a triangle corresponding to any side is the line joining the midpoint of that side with the opposite vertex. All of you look at the board. ABC is a triangle. Then AD is the median. AD is the median. Meaning is AD means A is the vertex to the base BC. The median divides the base, right? BD is equal to DC, or in words, right? Median divides the base. BD equal to DC. And we know that a triangle has how many medians? From the vertex A, you can draw D. AD is one of the medians. B. From B, you can write BE. Then ABC. C to C to DEF, CF. Three medians are there. And all the medians are always congruent. They intersect each other at one point. They intersect at each other at one point. The intersection of the medians is called centroid. The intersection of the medians is called centroid of a triangle. Therefore, the centroid of a triangle means the intersection of the medians. And the centroid of a triangle divides the median in the ratio 2:1. If one side is 2, the other side is 1. 2:1 ratio. Then the next one is, these are the terms relating these triangles. Okay. The next term is altitude. Right. Altitude. Altitude of a triangle corresponding to any side is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex to that point. Altitude of a triangle means if you want to draw the altitude from the point, the vertex A, we draw a perpendicular. Altitude means here the angle is 90 degree. Median means where just divides the base, BD equal to DC. But the altitude means that angle is 90 degree. Therefore, suppose AD is the altitude, then the triangle ADB is a right triangle. There you can apply which theorem? Yes, Pythagoras theorem. Understand? Here, altitude means is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex to that side. Okay, therefore, here the important thing is angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Same way angle ADC also 90 degree. That means AD perpendicular to BC, right? AD perpendicular to BC. The point of intersection, and here also we know that how many altitudes are there? You can draw 3 altitudes, isn't it? DEF. CF is an altitude, BE is an altitude. Understand? Next important point, write down. The point of intersection of the altitude is known as orthocenter. The point of intersection of the altitude of a triangle is called orthocenter. Therefore, here you can mark this orthocenter as O. The intersection of the medians is called centroid, G. Notation is G. And the intersection of the altitude is known as orthocenter. Understand? These are the terms relating this triangle. And we know that what are the different types of triangles? One is scale and triangle. What is the meaning scale and triangle? If the 3 sides are different, it is known as scale and triangle. The next one. Can you say what is the next one? What is the meaning equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means all the 3 sides are equal and all the 3 angles are equal. Then right triangle. What is the meaning right triangle? One of the angles is equal to 90 degrees. Scale and triangle, isosceles triangle. Isosceles means 2 sides are equal. For an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Okay. Now, come to the point. Right. Here in this class, our aim is to prove the congruency of triangles. Now, first listen. What is similar and what is congruent? All of you look at the board. Here I draw a rectangle ABCD. ABCD is a rectangle. And I draw another rectangle PQRS. And another small one DEFG. These are all rectangles. And we can say that these rectangles are similar. Similar. Here we use two terms. One is similar. The second one is congruent. Similar figures means figures having the same shape. I repeat. Similar figures means figures having the same shape. All the circles are similar. All the rectangles are similar. Understand? All the squares are similar. Square means all the sides are equal. All the squares are similar. Understand what is the meaning similar? Say the definition. Figures having the same shapes are known as similar figures. Second point is congruent figures. Congruent figures means figures having the same shape and the same size. Here I draw two squares. The sides of the first square is 5 and the side of the second square is also 5. Figures having the same shape and same size are known as congruent figures. That means one figure coincides with the second figure. All of you look at the board. Here, can you see? Here one rectangle paper and the other side is also a rectangular shape. Then, if you put or you place this one another, then one side coincides with the other side. Therefore, that figures are known as, that means if the length here is 7 centimeter and the breadth here is 9 centimeter, in the second side also 7 and 9. Therefore, these figures are known as congruent figures. Once again, I repeat the definition. Congruent means figures having the same shape and same size. Our heading is congruency of triangles. All of you write the heading. Congruency of triangles. Congruency of triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent, right? Two triangles are said to be congruent to each other, comma, if on placing one over the other, they exactly coincide. That means sides of one triangle is equal to the sides of the other triangle. The sides of one triangle is equal to the sides of the other triangle. I will draw the figure. All of you look at the board. ABC is a triangle. And I draw another triangle PQR. AB, in this side I draw one mark PQ. Then BC 2 mark. Here also 2 mark. AC 3 marking. Here also 3 marking. Can you say what is the meaning of this marking? From this figure, we can say that the side AB is equal to the side PQ. And 2 markings BC is equal to QR. And on the third side, AC is equal to PR. Here these three sides are equal. That is given in the question itself. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABC, look at the notation for congruent, draw the equal sign and use this sign. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. If two triangles are congruent, then corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal. Here A is the corner angle, therefore angle A equal to angle P. Then angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. Okay. Then, if two triangles are congruent, corresponding sides are proportional and the corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Then all of you write. Or all of you write. Conditions for, right. Conditions for congruency of triangles. Conditions for congruency of triangles. Write the first one. 1. Yes, A, yes. Right. Yes, A, yes. Write the definition. If two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to. If two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to. Two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. I repeat, if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle, comma, the triangles are congruent. By yes, A, yes. All of you look at the board. Here I draw the triangle ABC and second triangle DEF. Mark like this. These are the terms given in the question itself. Understand? Then, can you prove these two triangles are congruent? All of you look at the board. Very simple. Only listen the topic. From the figure itself, right? In the figure itself, AB is equal to DE. What is the reason? That is given in the question itself. Then similarly, BC is equal to EF. All of you agree? BC is equal to EF. That is also given in the question. Angle ABC equal to angle DEF. All of you look. Angle ABC, mark there. Then DEF. Here they mark this. From this, AB equal to DE means that is a side. BC equal to EF means that is a side. And ABC equal to DEF means that is an angle. Therefore, right, therefore, by yes, A, yes, two sides and one angle, by SAS congruency theorem. SAS congruency theorem. Triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. That is SAS. Okay, students? Now, write the next one. By. By. Yes, yes, yes. Right. The next one is by. Right now. By. Second one. Yes, yes, yes. Right. If three sides of, write the definition. If three sides of one triangle are, if three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Then the triangles are congruent. Draw the figure ABC. Right. DEF. In the figure itself, AB equal to DE, BC equal to EF, AC equal to DF. How can you prove this? AB is equal to DE, given. BC is equal to EF, given. And next, AC is equal to DF. Yes, yes, yes. Therefore, by SSS congruency theorem, right? SSS congruency theorem. Triangle ABC congruent. This is the symbol. Congruent to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. Then the third one is by ASA. ASA. From the name itself you can define this. ASA, right? If two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the, if two angles and included angle of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of the other, if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and included side of the other, comma, the triangles are congruent. The triangles are congruent. ABC, draw the figure. ABC, then same, DEF. Angle A equal to angle D. Angle B equal to angle E. AB equal to D. Right. Angle A equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. And AB equal to DE. A is here, A here, and S. When you write angles, you will write three letters, BAC. Understand? For easy understanding, I only write one letter. Angle A equal to angle D. That angle A means BAC equal to EDF, like that. Therefore, by, say, ASA. ASA means two angles and one side. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, students. Then one more, AAS. Can you say what is AAS is same as ASA, isn't it? Okay. Then if one angle is 90, then we can write by RHS. Listen that also. ABC and DEF. Two right-angled triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and corresponding side of the other. If the hypotenuse are equal and any one of the sides, we know that the angle B equal to angle E equal to 90. In a right-angled triangle, if the hypotenuse are equal and any one of the other two sides, any one equal, then we can say that you can prove that theorem by RHS, right angle theorem. Okay. In this class, all of you study this postulates. Write the notes. Okay. Next class, I will explain the remaining portion. Okay. God bless you.